Hi, now I'm going to show the dashboard that parents will be getting for login and accessing the virtual preschool. The first thing we can see here is the school name will be displayed and the child name along with the child photo will also appear here. Next one you can see is that these are the features down in the menu that the parents, as soon as they log in with the child ID and password into the URL that we are going to give them on taking admissions, they'll be able to see this. This is the menu. So as we can see, there is attendance. Whatever attendance will be recorded by the teacher, the parents will be able to see here, scheduler, library, notes, books are there, lectures are there, and assignments are there, and online exam, offline exam, results and progress chart, recognition and awards, some extra courses that the school is offering to them will be able to be accessed, and the live classrooms, that is like instead of Zoom classrooms, the live classrooms are integrated into this. Okay. So first, the important features are the books, that is whatever hard books, hard copy of the books that the parents are going to get, they will also receive a set of digital books and smart books. So we'll enter this one first to check what are the books. This is a Juni KG Kids account that I've logged in. So as you can see, there is a book folder and the Juni KG book set folder is there. When you click on this, any parent click on this, they'll be able to get all the books that are assigned to them. There are 7 units and every unit is comprising of all the art and craft, their themes, literacy, numeracy, the ABCD words, everything will be covered in book month-wise. These are the 2 digital books, and then we have 2 smart books, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is the first 10 days, the next 10 days is part 2, and the smart books of part 1 and part 2 of month 1. So this consists of unit 1, 4 books. Like that we have unit 2, 4 books, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7. So like this we have all the books which is assigned to the parents month-wise. Okay, as you can see the digital books, if we open, so this is how the book open, exactly like how your hard copy of the books are. Here, like this, it will open. Okay, like this. It's very easy for the kid to go through the topics and everything here itself. No need to open with just a regular. Only for writing, you can use the hard copy of the books that will be given to you or the worksheets that we will be giving you. Anything can be used. Okay. So next, let's see the smart books. How does it look? How it is different from the digital books. The smart books are little different in the sense the main topics are covered there with the buttons of e-learning, exam and talk. Every page will contain these 3 buttons, e-learning, exam and the talk buttons. Okay. So like, let's see the e-learning button.
Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about the alphabet C and alphabet D. C. C is for cat.
So as you can see, an animation video appears here about the letter or about the topic, whatever is there here. If you see, I'm a boy, I'm a girl. So this kind of animated video comes and a small activity is given, which you can do in the worksheets. This is a talk button, very interesting one, where you can see your teacher, your own teachers, which are taking your class. They have recorded the videos and some other videos, whatever is recorded. Real-time classroom videos will appear in the talk button. That's the interesting part. You can see here the teacher is taking the class.
Welcome to our English class. As you can see on the board, you might have guessed it till now. Today, we are going to write letter C. Letter C. But first,
so the teacher is taking the class and the students can actually see their own teachers taking the class without having to be online. So online classes also there, but in addition to that, the talk button will give you the video for that particular subject recorded by the teacher. The small exam button is there where the kid can take the assessment here like this. So the small 2-3 questions will be given. So the parent come to know, like, how the child is, whether the child is grasped to that particular concept or not. So this is about the smart book. And these books come with loaded with features, like you can see thumbnails. Go to any page you want by just clicking on that particular page here. You can also see the page numbers. If you click on page number 11, the page number 11 will open. Page number 13, the 13 will open. 6 will open. So like this, very good features are there. If you don't want the flip sound, you can very well off it here. And auto flip option is also there, where the books will start auto flipping. Zoom button is there, where if you want to zoom in and see, you can always zoom in and see. And here you can go to the next page, previous page, the last page, the very first page, next page. So these features are all there in the book itself. This is a wonderful book to have. So all is accessible in your single login itself. Okay, books are available. So we saw all the books are available in your login. When the parents log in into their virtual school, the books are available there. Next is very good feature that the parents will be able to access is the lectures. Every day, whatever timetable will be shared with the parents, that particular day's every activity video recording of every activity in that timetable will be given here. For example, there's a gross motor skill on that particular day for half an hour. There is a craft activity for 20 minutes. There is a story, so opposites, concepts, and number counting. So anything you take, it is going to be there on that particular day's video. So and it will open directly there.
4, 5.
So every concept will be there. If you see this,
Hello
craft.
kids, today let us do a craft of. So what we have to do is take the paper cup and
Like this, all the lectures for that particular day will come. You can search this based on any day also. For example, if you want to search based on a day here, you can see that 17th, all the videos of 17th are displayed here. So that particular day's videos, if you forgot to watch, you can still go ahead and watch all the videos of that particular day the next day. So all the videos will come here. Okay, if you don't enter any date and do search, you will see that all these videos, there are around 500 videos are there. You can see 1 out of 50 pages, that is around 580 videos are available for your class. For the entire year, we have made around 580 videos for each and every topic is covered. Let's watch one more, gross motor. This is recorded by the teachers.
in today's session we will do throwing and catching ball activity. You have ball, I have a big plastic ball. Go and get a ball.
So instruction-based activities are conducted by the class teachers. You will be able to check out here. Okay. Next, let's go back to the menu, what the dashboard has. So here also you can access the menu. So here you have notes. So if teacher has uploaded any notes based on any subject, it will appear here. Extra activities, extra writing work, those folders will be appearing here and you can download and you'll be able to use them. lecture is over. Assignment, any assignment that is given by the teacher will appear here, and you can see what is the assignment and complete that in your worksheets. And then there is an option to also upload it back. Scheduler, then you have exams. This is a very good feature. Every weekend, you can let the child take a small exam on whatever is the week's activities. So that is the online exam, take test, English, math, and EVS. So if you take the test, you can view the test and you will be able to start the test here, and you can complete the test and submit the test, and the test results will also come immediately, where you can watch the test results. So past results are there, progress chart is there. It will show you like how your child is performing in a particular subject every week wise. Okay. So you can see week 2, week 3, week 4, how the child has performed and what is the percentage of marks the child has scored. So this is also very good feature that parents will be able to access. So if you see, this is a complete preschool experience from home that you're getting. Along with this, we are going to conduct online classes. So online classes will be scheduled via Zoom, or we even have online classes here. Right here, live lectures and live classrooms are there. Live lecture. If you go, if they have scheduled any live lecture class, it will appear here, and you have to just enter the name, and you have to just press continue, and you can join the meeting which is in progress right from this itself, right from this dashboard itself. So your books are there, your videos, offline videos are there, your assessment like normal classrooms will be there. Your online classrooms are also covered here. Okay. So here you will see any recognition that like your child has received, because weekly or monthly, like we'll be having like some competitions like drawing and other activities in the class, drawing stories and all. So those things, if like if your child has won any award, the awards will appear here, the certificates, and you can always like you can take a download of that and you can keep it. Other than that, hard copies will also be sent, but a soft copy will also be available to you. Okay, attendance also you can see your child has attended how many days classes in that particular month. You can search the month you want to check here, and you can search, and that particular month's attendance of your child will be shown here. So this is the virtual classroom that we are giving you at Nurture Tots along with the online classes. If you are taking admission before April 8, there is a binder that you'll be getting, for which we are put one more video. You can watch that. The binders are very good. Like I can just show you here also one binder. So these are the binders. So this is a pick and match binder. So for taking admissions before this April 4th, we are giving this binder free along with the admission. This is a 4,000, the cost of this binder, with 20 activities like this and 20 reusable worksheets like this will be available to you in a complete folder set, in a beautiful folder set for kids, and they can be engaged offline. The fact that we are giving this free is because like we want to ensure that, you know, like kids are occupied appropriately, not only with the books and activities in the books, but with something they can do with enhance their creativity, their aptitude, skills, learning concepts, vocabulary, and parents also find it easy to engage kids with these binders. Okay, so these binders also we are giving. So this is the video that is showing you the activity, I mean this smart preschool, and please do join and take advantage of this. If you take only books and this complete dashboard with more than 600, we are going to upload more videos of the month wise, and of the all the studies like fine motor skills, art and craft, your themes, concepts, ABCD, words, numbers, addition, subtraction, less than, after, before number. Every concept videos will also be available to you. And this cost for Play School is only starting from 8,000. Complete year access to the complete virtual school, and along with your activity hard copy books. So that a set of 7 books will come along with all these features. Starting for Play School 8,000, to senior KG it comes to 12,000 only for the complete year. It costs you only 1,000 per month, including your admission and access to all these things, assignments and everything, will cost you only 12,000 for senior KG. Do take advantage of this wonderful preschool feature. And online classes also, we have given very flexible online classes. That is, you can take weekly once, or you can offer weekly 2 times a day for 45 minutes of class, or you can offer all the 4 days with 1 hour class or 2 hour class. And we are also giving extra attention classes on writing skills and speech skills for another half an hour. So this will be charged separately for online classes, but by default 2 classes will come. Online classes for which the fees will start from 20,000 only for Play School, going up to 35,000 for senior KG. So do take admission before April 4th to get your binder, and school kit also we are giving free. That is, it will consist of your art and craft materials and books, 4-line books, your square line books, and other chart papers, and crayons and drawing book. Everything is coming free along with the admissions. Do take advantage of this wonderful feature of preschool, and let your kids enjoy, be safe at home as well as study. Thank you from Nurture Thoughts.